Hello there, my name's Randy, and today I'll be making some bread. A nice, big ol' nondescript white sandwich loaf. Now, if you're looking for a recipe, you're in the wrong place. I am awful at baking, and I'm completely winging it right now. But if you like bread, a little bit of history, or royalty-free lo-fi hip-hop, then feel free to stick around. You might just like what you see. Now with that amateur as hell intro out of the way, oh boy, it's time for some history. Bread might be one of, if not the single most widely used food throughout all of history, as it can be made as long as you've got some simple ingredients such as grains, water, and heat, and a positive attitude. Look at that little face. Since it's so easy to make, it's been a staple food for thousands of years, dating 14,000 years back in the northeastern Black Desert of Jordan, where it was made flat and unleavened with wild barley and other grains found kicking around at the time. As for early examples of leavened loaves, those seem to find their origins in ancient Egypt, but for the most part, bread finds its earliest roots all about the Middle East. As time goes on, people realize, hey, we can add a lot more stuff to this, and in time, salt made bread taste good, leavenings like yeast made bread taste great, and a few thousand years later, supermarkets made bread taste wonderful. I'm a master of all things comedy, I know. That was so fucking stupid, cut that out. Now, in the modern day, bread is enjoyed in all the far reaches of the world, from the most remote corners to the most bustling cities, even in the lawless land of Florida. Now that's enough yapping out of me. Hope you enjoy this semi-relaxing montage of bread making made by someone who's not good at making bread. Enjoy.